Hello, my name is Telma, and I'm here to share with you my channel, the Mom Trader Diary. I'm a mom of a little one, and I'm a trader. So recently, I start trading live. So this was in May 2025, this year. But I start my trading journey already 2024, July, when I started learning about trading. And only in May, I felt a little bit ready to actually go live. And I decided to make this channel to share with moms like me the potential that there is with trading, but also the journey of trying to trade while you are a mom and you have dozens of things to do to take care of the family, of the baby, of ourselves, and still trying to learn to trade. So I created this channel to share with you my journey. It will literally be a diary where I'll be sharing with you a lot about my psychology. Not so much, I won't be like teaching you how to trade. I can refer you to some mentors, but mostly share with you how it is to trade as a mom and the things we go through, the psychology behind it, my learnings, my losses, what I learned from my losses and my profits, but especially to document how is it to be a mom and a trade, and that is possible. So I invite you to be here if you feel connected, if you feel like this content is teaching you something, inspiring, encouraging you, or just to know that there is another mom just like you out there trying to make it. Because at the end of the day, we are trying to have our financial freedom while not losing ourselves, especially being a mom, right? Not losing ourselves and um, our values and the things that are important to us. So I'll be sharing with you some of my values when it comes to lifestyle, how to keep healthy, especially moms. How can we still take care of ourselves? But it will all be very raw, very natural, because the truth is there's not much time left for us moms, so I won't be able to do a lot of editing, maybe in the future, but right now I just really want to document what I'm going through and hopefully encourage some of you. And also, I would love to hear from you. So feel free to comment, to subscribe. Yes, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And before I go, I would like to share with you one of the trades I was 2 days ago. I'll go right to sharing my chart so that we can see what I did. Okay, I'm on TradingView. This is the platform I use for my analysis and my charting. So I'm on gold USD, this pair. So I'm a trader, forex trader, you can say, even though gold is a commodity. At the moment, I'm mostly focused on gold. And I'll go to the 4 hour first, so you see a little bit what was my thought on this. So we have on 4 hour, we have downtrend after very high, all-time highs on gold. We eventually had a shift of the market. So I was looking at this. We were more or less here when I took this trade. Yeah, this was, I think, was on Thursday. Yes. And I was thinking, well, no, this was today, Saturday. I was on Thursday. I was thinking, well, gold is still on downtrend, 4 hour, 1 hour kind of on consolidation. And then it was making some first made some higher highs, higher lows, showing me that was going uptrend, and then it started making lower high, and then made lower low. So I was confident that it would continue to go down. So when I go to the 15 minutes, you can see a little bit what I saw. I saw, okay, it made this low. See if I still find it. Yeah, it was here. It was here. Yeah. I saw it made this low high here. And then I went right in here around 3,990. This was my position. I went on a twin trade and I decided, okay, if I put it here, my stop loss will be up here. Let me put a little trend line here. Not a trend line, but yeah, a line so you can see what I mean. Okay, so I put my stop loss here. I put in red and a little bit thicker. Yeah, you can see. So this was my stop loss, was around here. It was 3,997. And then it went down. You see this bar pattern I put here in blue, this blue here. Yeah. So I was hoping it to go down because I put a fib. I'll share a little bit more of my strategy and all that. Not always I follow this exactly strategy because I'm still in the process of building my methods. Like I say my methods, I mean like the one that works with me. I've been trying this strategy before and another one, and I'm trying to, figure out what works for me. And not always this way works. So that's why I'm saying kind of I'm still trying to figure it out. But yeah, so I was hoping it to go all the way down here. See, to the negative 27. But I was thinking, you know what? It might only come right to this trend line, this blue trend line here, touch and go up, which almost did, right? But then I was thinking, yeah, it might even come down to this. You see this green line here? That was my other take profit was 3,969. So I was thinking, okay, I'll have three take profits. So the first one would be here, and then the second one would be negative 27, and then see if it wanted to continue to go down. But what I forgot is that since in 1 hour we are in consolidation, it could well, not touch my take profit and continue going up before going down again. And that's what happened. Because if you see, my trades came all the way down to, let me see, this was 3,975. Yeah. And then it shot back up. So, but by then I was sleeping already when this happened, and I had put my stop loss in break even, which is when you don't lose any money. So it's like 0, 0. But it was a pity because up to then I had all the confirmations that it would go down, and I can tell you what were my confirmations. So besides the structure, and of course, not taking the fact that it was in consolidation, this was a major fact I should have taken into account. I knew it was in consolidation. I thought, being 15 minutes, this small trade, it would still touch my take profit before it changed direction. But, the price does what the price wants to do. So, but my first confirmation, besides the low here and the lower high here, was also that it had, first it broke this line. I broke this resistance. In purple, broke this resistance. I have a red square there. Broke it, and then broke also my other resistance in yellow, here orange, that is the 15-minute. And then it made a retouch and the trend line. Wait a minute, you see this trend line in blue? This is my 1 hour trend line. Broke all these three. And then it retest. I thought first it was retesting my trend line, but actually went a little bit above. So you saw it retested this resistance, the 30 minutes resistance. So I was thinking, oh, well, I have, very good confirmations, trend line, break and retest. I have the resistance, break and retest. I have the lower high, lower low. And then I also had, if I'm not mistaken, let me see, did I have, let's just see if I had, no, I didn't have, I thought I had, diversions I didn't have, but okay. So I had this and I was like, major structure for our is still downtrend, even though it's in consolidation 1 hour. I was like, okay, I'll take a chance. It seems to be, another, I had one more confirmation. Yeah. You see this line here that is, how do you call this in English? This line that is kind of cut, it's like small cuts here. Only comes in Portuguese, the name of the line. But yeah, this line is my weekly foundation line. So I was like, okay, I also have this weekly foundation line. It's not letting price pass. So I'll go down. And then I had some volume of bearish candles. So bearish is the one in gray, so selling. And I was like, yeah, I'll take it. And it went well up to here. So I could have taken an early profit. I didn't, but I didn't go on a loss. In any case, I'm happy with this trade because it followed my confirmations and my strategy. If I took into account that it was in consolidation, so I should have taken profit early. It almost touched this other trend line, it didn't, and then it shoot back up. So, but I was sleeping, as I said, so yeah, otherwise, if I was awake, I guess I would notice and just take profit. So this is a little bit for you to see this analysis I did and also this trade. So uh, yeah, so this was all I had prepared for you today. First video. I hope to be able to make even more videos for you and be consistent. But like I said, I'll keep it everything raw, authentic, just how it is, being transparent with you. Because I'm a mom, just like some of you that might be watching this. And I want you to know that you're not alone in this journey. And yeah, if you like this, just subscribe and come on and let's build this space together and keep our sanity as moms and traders, because for sure it tests our sanity. Thank you.